Hello everyone, you're watching cryptoTV, India's first 24/7 streaming crypto channel. I'm Vinita Chatterjee, leading you into the world of digital currencies, and here are the headlines. Banking giant HSBC partners with Metaverse firm the Sandbox. Bitcoins climb above $40,000 tracking as crude fall. Asian stocks climb. Cardano total value locked, surges past the $200 million. Ethereum passes major test in shift to proof of stake. FTX partners with Kenya firm to support Web3 growth in Africa. Snoop Dogg becomes comic book hero with new NFT collection. $100 million fund aims to boost the growth of decentralized machine economy. Blockchain to help Philippines bank triple business this year. Mark Zuckerberg confirms NFTs are coming to Instagram soon. HSBC is the latest corporate giant to enter the Metaverse through a partnership with virtual gaming platform, the Sandbox. The collaboration comes a month after its rival, JP Morgan, launches its first Metaverse lounge on Decentralized. The British bank has acquired virtual real estate in the Sandbox Metaverse with the aim of connecting with gaming and sports enthusiasts. The details of the deal haven't been made public yet. Along with HSBC, companies such as Gucci, Warner Music Group, and Ubisoft have flocked to the Sandbox Metaverse. Major cryptocurrencies rose with Bitcoin climbing above $40,000 as falling oil prices boosted investors' hope that Asian economies will be able to weather short-term shocks arising from geopolitical tensions. Asian stocks rose sharply on Wednesday, with all major key stock markets, including India, trading higher, taking cues from lower oil prices. The climb was despite Russia's continued attacks on Ukraine and a COVID-related lockdown in Shenzhen, a China tech hub. Investors, however, remained cautious a day ahead of the Federal Reserve policy meet to deliberate on interest rate movement. Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency, was at over $40,000 on Wednesday, up nearly 5% over the previous 24 hours. Ether, the second biggest cryptocurrency, was above $2,600, up over 6% in the same period. Most other major cryptocurrencies also traded higher. Cardano ADA, total value locked or TVL, recently surpassed the $200 million mark, a record for the largest proof of stake. According to data on March 16th, the TVL of Cardano was at $207.67 million. The TVL for Cardano has been rising steadily since late January 2022, coinciding with the launch of Sunday Swap, the blockchain's first decentralized exchange and token staking platform. The latest record represents a jump in more than $50 million in staking value over just 10 days, as the TVL on March 6th stood at $152 million. Its TVL on January 20th was barely over $3 million. The majority of the funds on the network reside on Sunday Swap. The exchange currently accounts for $112.71 million or 54.28% of the total TVL. Cardano's native ADA token was trading at $0.81, up nearly 3% in the past 24 hours. The Ethereum Foundation on Tuesday announced that the merge was successfully completed on Kiln, the final merge testnet before the upgrade will be deployed on Ethereum's public testnets. Ethereum's highly anticipated chain merge will combine the ETH2 beacon chain with the existing Ethereum mainnet, transitioning the network from proof of work to proof of stake based consensus. The move to proof of stake will usher in a dramatic reduction in ETH issuance, the network burning base transaction fees, since EIP 1559 went live last August. Analysts believe that Ethereum will become deflationary after the merge, which means that ETH will be destroyed faster than new Ether is created. which should bolster its value. The merge is also tipped to slash energy consumptions by more than 99%, bolstering the network's sustainability and censorship resistance. Crypto exchange FTX boosted its global presence by linking with AZA Finance, an African fintech firm, to expand access to digital currencies and promote Web3 use in the African continent. The agreement was announced a day after FTX Europe said it became the first firm to receive a license to operate a crypto exchange in Dubai. FTX plans to introduce African and digital currency trading pairs and work with the AZA to make it easier to deposit and pay out in African currencies. Bahamas-based FTX and AZA also plan to build infrastructure, develop educational resources, and provide networking opportunities to promote Web3 use in the continent. The companies plan to attract local NFT projects and artists to the FTX NFT marketplace. Global hip-hop icon Snoop Dogg and artist Boss Logic have teamed up to hawk an NFT collection called Super Qs. The drop will be on sale on March 17th. The Super Qs NFT collection features artworks by Boss Logic. They are animated comic book covers of Snoop Dogg as the superhero. Snoop Dogg's son, Cordell Brodus, was also involved in bringing the NFT to life. The drop will consist of 5 limited edition collectibles. There are also animations voiced by Snoop Dogg. The NFT series will act as access points to further adventures of Super Qs. The artists promise that it will carve out a whole new model for fan interaction in the comic book genre in Web3. Snoop Dogg is an obsessive collector of NFTs. He has amassed an extremely valuable collection anonymously over the last 18 months. He recently announced that Death Row Records is now an NFT label, and he also launched Snoopverse via Sandbox. IoTex, a blockchain platform focused on the Internet of Things or IoT, has announced the launch of $100 million of Sustainable Ecosystem Fund. The new fund will back over 1,000 decentralized machine economy startups developing use cases for connecting more than 10 million smart devices to the MachineFi portal within the next 3 years. IoTech's head of investment and ecosystem, Ching Sun, explained that the fund is designed as an evergreen vehicle that may support over 10,000 MachineFi-focused businesses in the next 10 to 20 years, connecting tens of billions of devices to the IoTech's MachineFi portal. MachineFi refers to a new paradigm based on Web3 that underpins the new machine economy. The decentralized machine economy is developing economy in which machines, rather than people, are the driving force behind the economic growth. The Union Bank of the Philippines, UBP, fintech unit UBX grew 44 times last year in a sign of increasing acceptance of new technologies in banking. UBX launched I2I as a banking-as-a-service platform in 2019 to serve rural communities. The Philippines is a rapidly developing economy of over 100 million. 2021 was a year of immense growth for I2I, with the growing demand for financial services in the country. Our goal is to grow by 300% this year, said Annie Yusiko, UBX Managing Director for Banking Services. The I2I platform was launched in partnership with 130 rural banks with the support of the country's central bank. That's all for the bulletin of this hour. Keep watching cryptoTV, India's first 24/7 streaming crypto channel. I'm Vinita Chatterjee signing off.